Brayden. Brayden. You got a cracker on your butt. Did you do something bad? Brayden. Did you do something bad? Hey, look at Mommy. Brayden, did you do something bad? Did you do something bad? You're going to be so thirsty. Oh my goodness. You better eat all those crackers up so Mama doesn't have to vacuum. Brayden! Brayden! You're a bad boy!